The purpose of this class is to teach how to tell the time to the quarter of the hour. So, with this clock, you can see that the big hand or the minute hand is pointing at the 12, and the little hand or the hour hand is pointing at the 6. So what does this tell us? This tells us that it is 6 o'clock. Now, with each number here, you know that they represent 5-minute blocks. So, if the minute hand goes forwards by 3 numbers, you can count that as 15 minutes. And you can do this using your 3 times tables, 5, 10, 15. And what we also call this, when the big hand is pointed at the 3, is quarter past. So it would be a quarter past by looking at the big hand pointing to the 3 and looking down at the hour hand or the little hand pointing at just past the 6 as quarter past 6. So what about if we go forwards in time to the 9? What does this tell us? It tells us that we are 5, 10, 15 minutes before 7 o'clock. So what would we call that? When the big hand is pointing towards the 9, then we can call that a quarter to the next hour on the clock, which is 7. So this is a quarter to 7. Now let's go forward by half an hour. Now it's past 7 o'clock. Specifically, it is 7:15 or a quarter past 7. Now let's go forward a half an hour again. We are back at a quarter to 8. So 7 o'clock is nearly over. It is 15 minutes until 8 p.m, which means the little hand is pointing at the 9, the little hand is almost pointing at the 8, and we call that a quarter to 8.